Hello guys, so today I'll be teaching how to play Chinedum by Mercy Chinwo. It's a very nice and beautiful song. She sang some years ago. So I'm going to play the song in the key of C transpose. So you go to your transpose. You start from 0, you add +2. Alright. So I'm going to start with the kind of chorus. Alright, so I'm doing la ti do. Alright, so la ti do. So it's just like I could have remained. So the chord progression is C, alright, G, alright, and F. Alright, so I'm just doing like a rundown. La ti do, okay. G major, fa mi do la. Then you go to the 4, alright. Fa mi do la. You go to the 4. 6 minor. Chinedum. Alright. Then now you do the song proper. The song proper. Alright guys, so I will go to the verse of the song. Alright. So the verse of the song starts with la la la. So I'm doing a rundown to C major. Alright. Then after C major I go to G major, then F major, A minor, then 3 minor, and 1 C major. Alright, so anywhere you lead. So before you call it, you drop, you play A minor. Anywhere you lead me, I will C major. Cause you are the way, the truth, and life. Jesus, F major. You never leave, no forsake. D minor, take me, G, take me, come to C, alright? Okay, then we'll do la ti do. Except you be the house, alright? La ti do. Except you be the house again. They build that beat in vain. Me, I would follow you, they go G major. Anywhere you leave me, I will go, remain there. Jesus. My life is for your glory. You go to C. Chinedum. Alright, so there's something that I added in the song, alright. I mean something that they do like this. Alright, so it's so mi fa mi re do. So mi fa mi re do. So you do this most at times when you're going to the 4, that's F major, and you're going to the 1, that's C major. Okay, let me show you. Alright, you see? Go to the 4. Alright, go to 5. A minor. Normally you do A minor, you go to 5, and before you go to this, to 1, alright? So during that time interval, alright, you can just play A minor. Alright, so you can play. Alright. So guys, life is for your glory. Alright, let's do my life. life is full of glory. Oh, just this. Alright, without playing the 6, the 5. Alright, so guys, that's the breakdown of the song. So the song continues like that with the same chord progressions. So guys, if you've learned something, give a thumbs up and please do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.